I cloned an iPhone app making over $10,000 a month using AI, and today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. This is the app right here. According to Sensor Tower, it's making over $10,000 every month. And honestly, it's one of the simplest apps I've ever seen. All you do is take a picture of a plant, and it tells you everything about it. It identifies the plant, tells you if it's toxic, how often to water it, how much sunlight it needs, and pretty much everything else you need to know. So today, instead of building an app from scratch, we're going to recreate one using AI. First, head over to Skywork AI. It's basically an AI agent that can do pretty much everything. You can design apps, build websites, create videos, generate images and carousels, do research. Honestly, there's a lot you can do with it. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once you're there, click Skywork Design. You can either choose one of the templates, let Skywork suggest an idea, or simply paste in your own prompt. To make things easier, I've already written the perfect prompt for this app, so you'll find it in the description below. Just paste it in. In a few seconds, Skywork will design the entire app for you. Once the design is ready, you can change absolutely anything you want just by chatting with the AI. You can change the colors, redesign the layout, add more screens, remove features, or pretty much build whatever you have in mind. But to speed things up and keep this tutorial short, I'm just going to leave it exactly how it is and move on to the next step. When you're happy with it, click Generate Prototype, and Skywork will turn your design into a fully interactive prototype so you can play around with it and make sure everything looks good. Now close the app preview, select all the screens Skywork created for you, and click Export Project. Then select Zip Archive and click Export. Then all you need to do is paste this prompt. I need the HTML file and a shareable link so I can use them in Emergent.sh to create a fully functional app. In a few seconds, Skywork will generate both the HTML file and the shareable link. Depending on which one you want to use, we'll use it in the next step to turn this into a real mobile app. Now head over to Emergent.sh, click Mobile App, then paste this prompt from the description below. All you need to do now is either upload the HTML file you downloaded from Skywork or simply paste your Skywork project link into the prompt right here. Once you do that, Emergent will start turning your design into a fully functional mobile app. Obviously, you can keep chatting with Emergent and customize your app however you want. Add new features, change the design, or remove anything you don't like. Now, Emergent will probably suggest using the plant.id API, but to be honest, there's a much easier and cheaper way. Just tell Emergent to use the Gemini Vision API instead. It works really well, it's incredibly cheap, and you don't need to mess around with another API provider. Once your app is ready, download the free Expo Go app on your phone. It's basically an app that lets you test your mobile app before publishing it to the App Store. Once you've got it installed, just open your phone's camera, scan the QR code Emergent gives you, and that's it. Your app will open automatically in Expo Go, and you can start testing everything straight away. Now let's see if it actually works. So first, we need to get close to the plant. Tap Scan a Plant and take a photo. Within a few seconds, we'll get all the information about the plant we just scanned. As you can see, it's working really well. I haven't had any issues with it so far. And that's literally it. In less than 10 minutes, we went from an app idea to a fully working mobile app without writing any code. If you want all the prompts I used, plus the Skywork and Emergent links, they're all in the description below. And let me know in the comments what app I should clone next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.